Gratitude. Gratitude is the quiet art of noticing. It is not loud or dramatic. It does not demand perfection or constant happiness. Gratitude simply asks us to pause and recognize what is already here. When we practice gratitude, we shift our attention from what is missing to what is present. This doesn't mean ignoring pain, struggle, or desire. It means allowing. Appreciation to exist alongside them. Gratitude softens the heart without denying reality. For example, on a difficult day, gratitude might be a small noticing warm cup of tea in your hands. The day may still be heavy, but in that moment there is warmth, comfort, and care. Gratitude lives in that small awareness. You may feel overwhelmed at work. A colleague who listened and helped, even briefly. That single moment of connection can ground you, reminding you that you are not entirely alone in your efforts. Gratitude can also be directed inward. You might thank your body for carrying you through the day, even when it feels tired. Or you might appreciate your own resilience, the fact that you showed up even when it was hard. Over time, gratitude becomes a way of seeing rather than a task to complete. The mind slows, the breath deepens. Ordinary moments gain meaning. Sunlight through a window, a familiar voice, the steady rhythm of breathing. Gratitude doesn't change the world around us immediately, but it gently changes how we meet it. And in that change, there is peace. Be grateful for everything you have now. Every simple thing. Be grateful for it.